there is a big chance that you saw a shiny advertisement on TV and you went ahead and you purchased a vacuum-operated, bagless, cordless stick vac like this. You brought it home, you wanted to use it for the first time, and then you realize that it's too heavy. Why is that? Because the motor, the battery, the engine, everything is right on your hand, pressurizing your wrist. Then you have to hold to that trigger like that in order to keep it on. Because of that, not only is heavy on your hand, but also you realize the bottom part doesn't move. Like it does not swivel the way they showed it on TV. So how come? Because the heavy parts on top makes the bottom is really light and unstable. Then, after you manage to vacuum, you wanted to rest, answer a phone, move a chair or something. Then you realize it doesn't stand. I have a solution for you. A Miele HX1 vacuum cleaner, a bagless, cordless, battery-operated vacuum cleaner that does not weigh a ton because the motor, the bucket, the engine is not on your wrist here, it's down there. Center of gravity, remember? German engineering, they do it for over 100 years. Under the bed, it pivots. Why? Because now the bottom part is very stable. Everything is stable. It's incredibly balanced. And if you want to move a chair or something, voila,